Welcome guys, today I am with the BLACKVIEW A90 and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So first to open the pro mode we have to go for the more modes, select pro, and as you can see at the first we got this bar right here. Maybe I'll hold the phone like that, and at the first we got the white balance adjustment. It's right here. This option changed the color and the temperature on the photo, as you can see. And the first option is the automatic setup. Another one is ISO. With this one you can manipulate with the brightness. Right here we can set the exposure compensation between -3 and +3. That's also the brightness adjustment. Here we get the focus, so we can get focus only on objects very close to our lenses or a little bit far away. And here we get the shutter speed, so for how long the shutter will be open before taking the photo, and the maximum value right here is the 0.6, so it's also actually it's a very short time. But if you set the shutter like that and you want to boost the brightness, just use the exposure and ISO. Okay, actually it's not working. That's strange. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Not useful, the pro mode actually. But yeah, that's how it looks in the BLACKVIEW A90. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.